at the dang truck lot.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Golden Key. At the stop sign, turn right onto Golden Key Road. Proceed to the route.
Sally, shut up.
Proceed to the route.
Guy just pulled out. Now he's going to get gas. Or is he either going to get a truck wash? Oh no, he's turning around. That's where he's going. Look at all the trucks over there. I don't know what the hell is this guy doing. This guy backing up now. Because originally he like missed his turn, I think. Now he's backing up. He went in, turned around. I have it all in video. Oh my god. He went in, turned around, and now he's backing up. Oh my god, this is a sight to see. This is legit a sight to see right here. This guy went in, backed up, and turned around. This guy with that red truck. And now he's backing up, almost probably going to hit the other truck. Oh, this guy's a pro. This guy is a pro. Look at this guy, just sitting here with his nice Kenworth.
I'm gonna go in after I get gas because I have to get money out.
Hi, Mom. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Alright. Heard it there, folks. We're at a nice gas station. Mom, can we go get me some taco? I'm joking, Mom. I'm joking. Oh, now my God. Look. Now he's pulling out. Oh, my God. Oh, no. He's trying to park it. He's trying to park it better. This guy, oh my god. Look at that Kenworth dump truck though. That is heavy duty right there. Oh boy. Some big boy. Here comes the old Peterbilt.
This place is hopping in the morning.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Look at that Peterbilt. Oh boy. Look at all the trucks, all the cars. What is she doing now?
I already told you.
Oh, now she's leaving. Oh, do you have to like pee or something?
I told you I'm going in here.
To get something to eat?
I have to get money.
Go give me a pack of baseball cards.
You coming with me?
Seriously? Alright, I'll catch up with you guys later. See ya. Peace.